Hi, welcome to Morpankha Entertainment. In today's video, we can see the TRP of Kannada serial. In today's video, we can see the many changes. So, if you like today's video, then please share with your friends, family. Please subscribe our channel and please click the like button. It's free. And watch today's video till the end because, as I said, in today's video we can see the many changes. So let's start today's video. First of all, we can see the shows between top 25 to top 21. So on number 25 we have the Kannada serial Saubhagyavati Bhava, and this week TRP of Saubhagyavati Bhava is 2.9. With this TRP, Saubhagyavati Bhava is coming in average category. Then on number 24 we have Colors Kannada serial Tripura Sundari, and this week TRP of Tripura Sundari is 3.2. With this TRP, Tripura Sundari is coming in average category, but we can see the slight increment in the TRP of Tripura Sundari. Then on number 23 we have the Kannada show Annapurna, and this week TRP of Annapurna is 3.2. With this TRP, Annapurna is coming in average category, as well as we can see the slight decrement in the TRP of Annapurna. Then on number 22 we have Colors Kannada serial Punyavati, and this week TRP of Punyavati is 3.3. With this TRP, Punyavati is coming in average category, but we can see the slight increment in the TRP of Punyavati. Then on number 21 we have Colors Kannada show Antarbata, and this week TRP of Antarbata is 3.6. With this TRP, Antarbata is coming in average category. So now we can see the shows between top 20 to top 16. So on number 20 we have the Kannada serial Vaidahi Pranaya, and this week TRP of Vaidahi Pranaya is 3.8. With this TRP, Vaidahi Pranaya is coming in good category. Then on number 19 we have the Kannada serial Mane Mangalu, and this week TRP of Mane Mangalu is 3.9. With this TRP, Mane Mangalu is coming in good category. Then on number 18 we have the Kannada show Bholamengi Bandha Bhagwanta, and this week TRP of Bholamengi Bandha Bhagwanta is 4.2. We can see the major decrement in the TRP as well as the position of Bholamengi Bandha Bhagwanta. Then on number 17 we have Colors Kannada show Geeta, and this week TRP of Geeta is 4.3. With this TRP, Geeta is coming in good category. Then on number 16 we have the Kannada show Punarvivaha, and this week TRP of Punarvivaha is 4.4. With this TRP, Punarvivaha is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 15 to top 11. On number 15 we have the Kannada serial Triyani, and this week TRP of Triyani is 4.4. With this TRP, Triyani is coming in good category, but we can see the slight decrement in the position as well as the TRP of Triyani. Then on number 14 we have Colors Kannada show Ramachari, and this week TRP of Ramachari is 4.5. With this TRP, Ramachari is coming in literally in good category. Then on number 13 we have the Kannada show Hitler Kalyana, and this week TRP of Hitler Kalyana is 4.5. With this TRP, Hitler Kalyana is coming in good category. Then on number 12 we have Colors Kannada show Kendas Samipenge, and this week TRP of Kendas Samipenge is 4.7. With this TRP, Kendas Samipenge is coming in good category. We can see the regain of TRP of Kendas Samipenge. Then on number 11 we have Star Swarna serial Yadir Yadeshri Siddhilingeshwara, and this week TRP of Yadir Yadeshri Siddhilingeshwara is 4.7. With this TRP, Yadir Yadeshri Siddhilingeshwara is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 10 to top 6. On number 10 we have Star Swarna show Nina Dena, and this week TRP of Nina Dena is 4.9. With this TRP, Nina Dena is coming in good category. Then on number 9, shockingly, we have Colors Kannada show Bhagyalakshmi, and this week TRP of Bhagyalakshmi is 5.3. In this week, we can see the major decrement in the position as well as the TRP of Bhagyalakshmi. Then on number 8, we have Star Swarna show Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma, and this week TRP of Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma it's 5.5 with this TRP. Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma is coming in good category. Then on number 7 we have the Kannada show Satya, and this with TRP of Satya is 5.5 with this TRP. Satya is coming in good category. Then on number 6 we have Colors Kannada show Lakshmi Brahma, and this with TRP of Lakshmi Brahma is 5.6 with this TRP. Lakshmi Brahma is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 5. So on number 5 we have Star Swarna show Namahalachi, and this with TRP of Namahalachi is 5.9 with this TRP. Namahalachi is coming in with great category, as well as Namahalachi is the number 1 show of Star Swarna. Then on number 4 we have the Kannada show Shrirastu Shubhamastu, and this with TRP of Shrirastu Shubhamastu is 5.9 with this TRP. Shrirastu Shubhamastu is coming in great category. Then with the major increment in the TRP as well as the position, on number 3 we have the Kannada show Amrita Dhare, and this with TRP of Amrita Dhare is 7.1 with this TRP. Amrita Dhare is coming in great category, it's a huge TRP. Then on number 2 we have the Kannada show Gati Mela, and this with TRP of Gati Mela is 7.8. We can see the slight decrement in the TRP of Gati Mela, but show is coming in great category. Then on number 1 we have the Kannada show Putakanna Makallu, and this week TRP of Putakanna Makallu is 12.2. It's a 2-digit TRP, and it's a great, it's really the great thing. We can see the major increment in the TRP of Putakanna Makallu. So that's it. We can see the top 25 Kannada shows of this week. Comment your favorite show in the comments, and what do you think in next week we can see the major increment in the TRP of Amrita Dhare as well as the Putakanna Makallu. Please comments. We can see you in next video. Till then, take care.